Hello, and welcome to this episode of Strategic Solutions TV. My name is Carol Bell, and today we'll be discussing a topic that a lot of people have asked questions about, and that is how do you find a good family dentist, especially in the Coral Springs area. And today we have a special guest on our program to help us with this, Dr. Stephanie Diaz from Coral Springs Dental. Dr. Diaz, welcome to our show, and how are you today?
Hi, Carol. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm wonderful, thank you.
Good.
Dr. Diaz, we know that in Coral Springs especially, people go online every day looking for a good dentist. And they don't always know how to choose one. There's so many dentists to pick from. What advice would you give us today as an expert in this industry as to the kinds of things that you think are important for someone to look for when they're looking for a good dentist?
Yeah, I agree with you. You know, when people are looking for a dentist, they're faced with so many options, especially in the Coral Springs area. We're saturated with dentists, so it makes it really difficult for people to choose. One thing I would say would be for people maybe to ask their friends, their family, their neighbors, and see if they're happy with their dentist. If that's not a good option, maybe they can go online, search for dentists in Coral Springs, and maybe read the reviews, see what other people are saying about them. You want to look at the good reviews, and maybe look at the bad reviews and see what was it about those bad reviews that people, were saying about that dentist. But mainly the good reviews. You want to see what they're all about, what kind of experience the patient had, and so that would be a good idea to do.
Great. So do you think that it's also important for them to look at the dentist website? And if so, what things should they look for on the website?
Definitely, you want to look at the website and make sure that the services that you're looking for are the services that they're offering. For example, if you want to bring your children to this general dentist, you want to make sure that they see kids, and if you're looking to have cosmetic dentistry done, you want to make sure that they offer cosmetic services, because not all dentists do. So that would be really important to look at their website for that reason.
Great. So, Dr. Diaz, what kind of experience can someone expect to have if they come in to see you for the first time? And what do you think makes your practice unique and different from all the other dentists in the Coral Springs area?
Well, I think we're unique because we really like and strive to make our patients happy. We like to make it a comfortable environment, and we like to have fun too. I know we have so many patients that come in with fears, anxiety, stress. I mean, let's face it, most people say, oh, I really don't like going to the dentist. So we try to make it really comfortable for them. And we also read, the reviews, and we hear over and over of patients that came to see us that were afraid before, nervous, and how we made it so much better for them. They just have a really good experience, and they're not afraid anymore. So that's really great that we do that. So something else that they can maybe experience when they come in and makes us kind of unique also is we tie in the total body health to the overall health of the mouth. And, there's so much research out there that talks about how the mouth health is related to diabetes, stroke, heart disease. So we like to tie that into what we do and what the treatment plan for the patient would be. That's very important to us. And there's something that, they'll see around the office. It's this little chart that I like to show.
Mm-hmm.
It talks about what a healthy mouth is. So this is our goal. It really says like a healthy mouth is freedom from decay, pockets, inflammation, bleeding. So this is kind of like our goal, for the patient. And we tie that into their overall health. We ask them questions about when was the last time you saw your physician? How's your cholesterol? How's your blood pressure? And we think that's really important. So that's something that's kind of different that people tell us.
Absolutely. And people more and more, I think, are beginning to realize that their overall health is connected to the health of their mouth. So I like that chart, the visual of all the different things that they need to be thinking about and be aware of. You're a family dentist as well, right? So you treat children also?
Yes, we do.
Okay, so pretty much the whole family, no matter what age.
Yeah, we see kids, usually around the age of 3, but we try to make it fun for them and, just a fun experience, kind of leave all the anxiety and fear. If they're afraid, we just kind of take it easy with them. And, yeah, we like to see kids. We have fun with them.
I think that's important because a lot of families are looking for a dentist that they can take the whole family there and not piecemeal them out somewhere. So that's really good. Yeah. Dr. Diaz, you have a special offer that you give your new patients. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, definitely. We offer a free consult if you're wanting to do cosmetic dentistry. And we also offer a free consult for 6-month smiles. It's a type of orthodontic treatment, and it's usually, on average, 6 months for braces. So we'll evaluate you and see if you're a good candidate for that and answer any questions that you may have. So, yeah.
That's a great offer. So for all of you in the Coral Springs area, if you are interested in taking Dr. Diaz up on the special offer of a free consult for the 6-month smiles or for any cosmetic procedure, then I highly recommend that you give her office a call. Dr. Diaz, what's the best way for them to contact you and the best number to call?
They can contact us at 954-755-1222.
Okay.
And they can also go on the website, the www.diazsmile.com.
Excellent. Thank you so much for all of the wonderful information that you shared with us today. And Dr. Diaz, thank you for taking the time to be with us as well. It's a great pleasure.
You're welcome, Carol. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. And thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day today. We'll see you next time.
Okay.